Anton Bartislar, guys, and today we are playing another game, guys. We are playing Build and Shoot Quest. Remember last time, but this time this is a different one. I'm gonna use a challenge in this game. All I'm gonna do, guys, is that I'm gonna do a no talking challenge in the game. Means that I'm not gonna talk while I'm in the battle. I'm only allowed to talk in the lobby on the game, guys. So that's what I'm gonna do. The first thing is I'm gonna say that we already reached 5 members and we need 90 members left before it got not joined because we have 90 we need 90 members left. So this means you have to must join now or else it will be closed and you cannot join anymore on the L Brothers Club. You have to must join now. Please join. And also I want to say we are almost getting reach 60 subscribers in the channel, guys. So we're gonna play the game now. So let's go back to the video. So let's play the game, and we're gonna change our armory first, our weapons here, because I don't want to make this I'm gonna make a whisper challenge. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna get some stuff here. What I want, okay. What I want. I think I'll use this. No. I'll just not change weapons anymore. Just gonna go and go. Okay, maybe I'll use this. Okay, this is just a speed drink. Okay, so let's go now and build and shoot quest, and let's go. I mean, build and shoot, I guess, because I remember build and shoot quest. I'm gonna do that. So let's go to the giant kitchen, and we're gonna no talking now. So we'll start our no talking, and you can watch the video only because I'm not gonna talk in this battle because it's a challenge. Okay, guys. So please, and don't think I'm not gonna talk anymore for a while because I'm gonna do a challenge already. You know that already. So we're gonna do it the battle now, and we're just gonna wait. Just checking user data. Please wait. Okay, just wait, and to block Mango, we're going to the giant kitchen. You got Kimmy. I'm gonna do this 3 times. Okay, 1. Okay, guys. Wish me good luck. So let's do it, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, you gotta be kidding me. Maybe I'll just sing for a while. I'm not good at this. Guys, I'm just gonna keep doing this. It's a quiet challenge. We're not gonna talk. Remember, guys, you gotta be kidding me. No! You gotta be kidding me. This challenge is not good. No talking challenge. It's gonna keep doing this. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm here now again, and this time we're gonna do a second battle. Gotta be kidding me! This no talking challenge is not good when I do this battle. Okay, let's go. Let's go now, guys. Let's go back and now. Okay, the game start now. Okay. So sorry, guys. We'll not talk for a while. Okay, we'll just talk. Okay, I'll do the challenge now. Rogers. Baby. Not again. You gotta be kidding me. I'm good at this game. No. This challenge is so hard. Yes. Okay, guys. Now go back. Okay, let's go back to Bobby. Okay, guys, I'm back now, and now I'm so nervous when I do the no talking challenge and when I do a battle and build and shoot. This is so very weird when I do this challenge. I feel so nervous and I can't focus in the game when I just do the challenge, guys. It was just a little fun, but it's good. I'm just gonna check all my. This challenge is already. So I already done 2 now, guys, and this time we're gonna I'm gonna just check something else late, and guys, I'm just gonna check something from my thing here. Okay, let's get my rewards here. Rewards. Okay, get rewards. Okay, now because I need to get up to level 20. I need 375 things. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I guess it's the thing I need to do, guys. Okay, guys. I guess we're done in the challenge, guys. So, guys, I don't want to say that the thing that what I do again. So the thing what I do in the battle looks like I'm feel nervous and I can't focus. I just trying to have a battle to fight all the enemies that I play in the game. It's really good to play that, but in the game I feel so really nervous a little. You know that already. But the problem is I cannot build a bridge because when I build the bridge what I build from the blocks, when I do my blocks, I feel like that someone's gonna attack me. This is a really good game, but guys, I wanna say that please subscribe to the channel, give us thumbs up and like. Also I wanna say that guys, subscribe my channel. We are gonna almost hit 60 subscribers in my channel, and guys give us a like and thumbs up and comment down below and watch this until the end. Sige guys, this talking challenge is making me good right now. Sige, bye guys. Body I come.